we're starting to work on the bed, which is probably going to be a little bit more time intensive than it originally was, even though we're only having to redo 2 boards because it's wintertime and the humidity's higher and we didn't have that going against us last time. But we'll try and work you through the process. We had to replace this board here because when I wrecked, literally everything on this truck shifted, not just the visible parts, which would have been the nose of the truck. So this board here, this entire part here that holds the center strips, which actually hold the boards to the bed, this was pretty well damaged. So we replaced this one. We had to replace this guy here because I don't have it centered right now, but we have a new gas tank under there, which meant the filler neck was moved forward. So we had to buy a new centerpiece too. So coming up here shortly, we will burn both of these pieces, and then I'll start getting, I think it was 5 coats of stain that I put on these other ones. I don't plan on touching the other ones. They're going to get worn down anyway and just have that really cool aged feel, which is what we want. So probably just leave them be. But that's this next project. I'd love to say we're going to get it in before a January SCCA event, but I don't know. Everything seems to go against us anymore, so we'll see how that goes. working on the bed of the truck, we're simultaneously putting in a fire safety system. So we've been to a couple events now where we've seen a truck and a car unfortunately catch fire. The drivers were fine, everybody was able to get out, but we were able to get our hands on some fire systems for both the truck and the car, and we're going to go ahead and put that in before we actually secure the bed to the truck. So this system here is going to have 2 pull handles in the cab. It's going to have a nozzle that is going to go to the fuel pump, and it's going to have 2 nozzles, one on each side, spraying into the engine compartment. So hopefully it's one of those systems that, you know, have it, don't use it, but since we were able to get our hands on a nice, inexpensive system, we went for it.